So you finally get that message. Your song is live. What now? Your profiles are blank in all Spotify, YouTube, all the platforms. How do you get control of it? Well, this is why I like DistroKid because they make it super easy on claiming them. It's just a little hidden in the menu. So I'm going to walk through it and go through the main ones: Spotify, YouTube Music, and Apple Music. There's more you could claim, but those are the main ones you're going to want to claim because that's where most of the listeners are going to come through. But you could go on Pandora and all these other streaming platforms that you are pushed out through and claim those profiles through those websites. We're only going to cover what's in DistroKid today, and it does take time when you submit these requests, but everything takes time. Trust the process. When you do claim it through DistroKid, you have more credibility because you actually have the released music to the account you're reaching out for. So we're going to go into the menu and you're going to hit an special access. It's going to pop it up with all the platforms that they will direct connect you through. So the first thing we're going to do is Spotify. And if it's already processed, you'll see your artist names here that you want to claim access to. So you'll click on them and then hit get access. Now I don't want to submit another claim for it when I already have them. So let me jump to Spotify for artists, and you'll get a little back end little dashboard with your artists when you create your account and sync them to your Spotify name. And then you could see the dashboards of the streams on your different artists. And then you could go into individual artists and look up the releases and just everything about it. And this is also how you're able to do extra things with it, like the canvas. So the little animated videos and stuff that are on Spotify that play with the songs, you could do that in here under the video, which is super cool and helpful for you to do that. So Spotify is one of the easier ones to do. The one that is going to be a little more tricky is Apple Music, so we'll come to that one last. YouTube is very similar. Once they get approved and they're created, you go ahead and claim your channels here. And I'm going to show you right here that I haven't claimed them yet. These they just got put up for these artists that I was making when filming these videos with you all. So we're going to click on it and put yes, I do. Or sorry, the last one, you have a dedicated channel to just them. We're going to link it. So once you click your channel, you'll see it down here. To make sure you click the right one, we're going to hit select. And we're going to claim it for Ada Graves. Then we're going to go to Knox Creed. I'm going to do the same thing for Knox and select channel. And then once you get approved for them, you're going to get some notifications from YouTube. I thought I saved the emails, but I deleted them and I couldn't find them. But basically, you're going to make an artist roster under your main YouTube account. And for this email, this was the main account under the email. I tried to change it and I couldn't. So this is my main account for all the artists. And then you could see my artists here. And then again, we just put out for Ada Graves and we just put out for Knox Creed. And they will show up in this mix eventually. And then I'll be able to see their stats, if they published any videos, etc. And just kind of get an overview of all your artists in one place for YouTube. So now let's get to Apple Music. This one is a little more confusing and you do need an Apple account. So we're going to go to Special Access, Apple Music for Artists. So you're going to click this link and you're going to need to sign in. Now, if you have an iPhone, you should already have an account. So I just did the scan the QR code and it linked my phone to my account and it worked. But then you're going to claim your artist page and this is going to give you a walkthrough how to do it. But let me sign in and show you what it looks like on the back end. So this is my back end here for my account. And you could see I have my two accounts and I need to claim Ada Graves and Cog and Knox Creed. I've been behind on Apple Music because it was a little confusing, and then you got to find it. So we're going to search COG. Okay, well, can't really go wrong with that one. They're all there. So you do that little quiz. Like I said, they were all releases, so that was kind of weird. We're going to fill this out with your account information, and then if you have anything to link it to, aka DistroKid, you're going to link it, and that's going to help you claim your profile much faster. And then if you have any extra details, you can put all that stuff down here and then submit it for request. And then once you claim your accounts, I'll show you quickly on Spotify. If you go to your profile, hit view profile, now this is where you could upload your images and all your bios, information like that, pinning playlists, favorite songs. And Apple is a little different. They have like prompts you could answer. Apple is always, a little different, but do stuff like that. And then on YouTube, when you claim your actual profile, I'll show you right now, you'll get extra access to things like concerts if you're trying to sell tickets on YouTube. And then as well as when you go to your channel, you could see the releases, music videos, and basically I built this playlist and I pinned it to the top, but you could see that we are now a verified artist because we have claimed it. And we also have all the releases down here. So now it's more focused on an actual artist. And then you still have all your YouTube videos, and you could rearrange this and put whatever you want on the front page by customizing your channel and just making it how you want to express your project and connect with people. So I always helped you out. Click thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. If you want to sign up for DistroKid, link down below, as well as our AI Artist Academy free PDF and chatbot to help you brand your whole project, whether you're making the music yourself, AI artists, or a blend of both. Whatever tools you're using to express your creativity in your head, we walk you through all the steps from just the brainstorm of the idea to the naming, to the themes, to the colors, to the whole profile so you could stay on brand. And then if you go down the AI route, we show you how to get samples, songs, lyrics, voice training, all that stuff in the long run. It's all to come. Everything free down below. See you in the next video. Peace.